Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all are you doing well. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, so first please get subscribed and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update for the upcoming videos and tutorials. So let's get started with today's session. So today's we are going to learn how to count number of vowels and consonants in your entered string. Example, if I say enter string, okay? If I enter Python. So in Python, how many vowels are there? Let me tell you what is vowel. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U. These five are the vowels and remaining all the letters are consonants, right? So let's check P is in vowels, no. Y is in vowels, no. T is in vowels, no. H, no. O, yes. So one vowel and N, no. So remaining all 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are the what? Consonants, right? And one is what? Vowel. So this we have to write a program which will count number of vowel and consonants. Okay, so let's get started. Before this, I will take input from the user. Let's take input. I will say enter string. Okay, all right. Now what I'll do is I will create a variable which will hold all my vowels. Let's say A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this is the set of my vowels. Okay, if you entered any of these, it is going to increment the vowel count. So I'm going to make a variable 0. What it will do? It will increment vowel count and store the value in it, right? Okay, now how? Before this, let me tell you what does for loop do, because I'm going to use for loop in my program. Let's say for I in range 1 comma, let's say 10. Okay, and then I will say print what? I. Let's save this code. Okay, any name I am giving it randomly to save it. Okay, what does it print? It prints 1 to 9. What does for loop do? It goes in looping and it go line by line and keep on printing the things and checks, right? Same thing I have to do if I, whatever I have entered, if I entered any name, let's say Rahul, okay? If I entered a name called Rahul, so it will check letter by letter, whether this is vowel or not, this is vowel or not. And if it is vowel, then it will increment by 1. And that's what we are going to do in our program. Now let's see how to do a program. So what I have taken very first, I have taken input from user, enter string. Then I have taken vowels, a set of vowels, A, E, O, I, U, A, U, I, U in lower and uppercase. And I have taken one variable, it will get every time increment by 1 and it will save the value in it. Now let's say for I in S1. It means what? Whatever there was in S1 now is in my I, okay? So now S1 becomes your I. We want to check letter by letter and that's why we are using for loop. Now we are checking if I in vowels, right? Whatever string you have entered, if there is in vowels, like if it is present, then what I have to do is vowels count plus equal to 1, right? Vowels counts always plus equal to 1. It will increment by 1 and then print what? Vowels colon comma, what it will print? Vowels count. Okay, let me run it. Let me show you. Always maintain a folder. I have maintained a folder on my desktop as Python programs. Python programs. Let's save it. I will give a name, vowels underscore consonants underscore count. Okay, in this way you will save it. Right now, let's see. Okay, let's give any name. Let's give any random name. Let's say program. Okay, I will press enter. Okay, see, it's saying error, name error, vowels counts is not defined. Let's see what spelling mistake I have made. All right, if you can see here, I have write a variable name vowel count, and here what I'm saying, vowels count, right? Spelling mistake is there. That's why it's not recognizing, my compiler is not recognizing what is vowels count. No, so what I have to do is I have to go back to my program. Okay, as I always says, it's good to have an error, so you will understand in future if you have an error. Control plus F5, run the code. All right, let's say program. Okay, in my program, how many vowels are there? There are 2 vowels, and which are those? There is O and A, right? O and A. Okay, right now I'm just telling you how to count the vowels, right? So what it do? Let's say P, R, O, G, R, A and M, right? Okay, so now for I in S1, right? I in S1. So this is what? This is my I because I have written I in S1. So whatever there was in S1 now is in my I. So it will check one by one. P is vowel? No. R is vowel? No. O is vowel? Yes. So it will become 1 because I said if I in vowels, vowel counts must be incremented by 1. Then G is in vowel? No. R is in vowel? No. A is in vowel? Yes. Again, it will become 1. And M is in vowel? No. So 1 plus 1 is how much? It is 2. So the count of vowel is how much? 2. Now, what is the count of consonant? How to count the consonant? Example, if I have said program as my input, right? program. So how many letters are there? What is the length of this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So 7 is the length of my word. If I minus whatever is the vowel count, how many are the vowel? O and A is the vowel. So if I minus 7 minus 2, so remaining, whatever is the remaining is my consonant. That is the logic, right? So the length of what? The length of my entered string minus vowel count is the consonant. So what I'll do is here, simply I will say print consonants. What will be the consonant? LEN in bracket length of S1 minus by vowels count. Control plus F5, run the code. I will give the same input. Let's say program. So 2 are the vowels and 5 are the consonants. Okay. So this is how you will count vowel and consonants by using Python. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section and stay tuned, stay connected for the upcoming tutorials. Bye-bye.